All right, so here we are. We in beautiful San Diego, and I just want to show the world. You know, it's January, 22nd or whatever it is, and you know, look at me. I'm out here chilling. Got my shirt off. You know, it it isn't even a beautiful day. Like there's a lot of clouds out there. Usually there's no clouds. But the thing is, this is what it's like. This is why I live here, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, back to the boat project. Okay, so y'all know I got the boat and everything. And it's a little bit funny right now because it is messy. And so I got to clean it up. But before I clean it up, I just want y'all to see, what all's going on. And I clean this boat up every time I work on it. But the thing is as I'm working, it gets crazy. But anyway, so let's go in there and see all what I did, and it is what it is. Okay, so bam! Right here we got lights, and I put that in there, and those lights are right there. Boom, boom, boom. So I got the lights on a three-way switch. Got some more lights. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. And I got this area taken care of as far as lighting goes. I need to go ahead and spray all that white, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take that off and spray paint it all white. It is what it is. So yesterday I just went over and got a microwave because my other one was crapping out on me. It is what it is. So there's my new microwave. And it works pretty nice. This is where I'm sleeping at right now. And got three-way switch right there. Controls those lights. I was thinking about putting two more lights right there and right there, but I don't know. We'll see. I think I just need to leave it alone because I got enough lights with that right there. Okay, now we're off in here in the closet area. I got a light. Here's the closet area. I need to clean all that up. And I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do right here. I don't know. It is what it is. This is a three-way switch for these lights up there. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that. That's that. And I got a conduit going around, going up, and then you'll notice this. Here's my conduit system for the lights. And then boom, there's the light. And then on this situation here, this is also a three-way switch. And it controls those lights. I'll go ahead and turn the switch off. And got a little conduit system going right there. Going right there, doom, boom, boom. Kind of just, you know what I'm saying, boom. It is what it is. This switch right here controls these lights up under there. See? I like it because, like, you know, I like the three-way switches because it makes it easy for me to go ahead and, you know, turn on and off lights. This is the back bedroom area. And so in this area I put in a junction box. I mean, put in a light. What is that? I put in receptacle outlet, and then we got our switch right here, and it controls that one. Now just go ahead and we got this closet area. And I need to get all that taken care of. Need to clean all this stuff out of here. You know what I mean? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this cabling. And it's gonna light it up. I'm gonna light up behind the behind there, all the lights and everything. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might go ahead and do this. I don't know. 50-foot. I'm probably gonna do this off in the off over here, this area. I don't know. I need to check it out. You know what I'm saying? I need to go ahead and see what all's going down. You know. But and I put in a receptacle outlet, GFI, right there. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna paint all this area all white. You know. Anyway, it is what it is. I need to clean up right now. So that's what's going on. And then I need to go ahead and start painting this area. And then, you know, go ahead and work on this area in the back. That's how it's going down. I need to clean this up. This is my my panel, and I need all that cleaned up. You know, you know, things aren't right now. It is what it is. But yeah. Anyways, I got this hat for $1 at the dollar store. And you know I'm from Texas. And you know, I just like, I was like, you know what, I might as well go ahead and buy this hat. So I bought this hat. It is what it is. But anyway, it is what it is. So I'll go ahead and I got a lot of work to do. So I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, bye.